Please be advised that this lecture, you can ask questions on the chat room, or you can turn on your mic, speak up, okay? So what I'm going to do right now, I will help you get started with Assignment 1, Part 2. So step 1, I will go to Blackboard to download the data file. Oh, I have to share computer so that you see my computer, okay? Share. Can you see Blackboard? Can you confirm you can see Blackboard? Anyone confirm you can see Blackboard? Thank you so much for confirmation. So I'm going to go to Assignments hands-on, and then Assignment 1, Part 2. So 2 files. One is Word document. The other is data file. I need to download those 2 files. So I'm double-click. I'm using Mac. It is downloaded on Downloads folder. Then I double-click Train. Okay. After you download it, you then upload the Train file to OneDrive. So step 1, download. Step 2, go to OneDrive. The website is login.microsoft.com using your George Brown credential. Okay. And then signing in. And then go to OneDrive. In OneDrive, I created folder George Brown College GBC, and then fall semester 2020, and then Comp1115. This is assignment, so maybe I will create a new folder. It is the assignment. Great. And then I click assignment. Because I have 2 classes, one is on Tuesday, the other is Thursday. So I will create Tuesday class. And then upload the file I just downloaded, train.mpp. So go to downloads. You can do here. And then downloads folder. See, today, just a few moments ago, I downloaded those 2 files from Blackboard. Okay. When you download it, you need to know where those files are located on your computer. So right now I need a tree. Okay. And then click open. Now I uploaded the tree file to OneDrive. And then you open the Word document to see the instructions. I don't need this one. So where is the Word document? Again, it is in Downloads. Assignment 1, Part 2. So this is the instruction files. Okay. So you need to download the data file. Okay. For this project, the data file is train.mpp. Okay. When you finish the project, you upload the finished project to the assignment box. So what is the assignment context? Part of the AV presentation room's installation project involves training people who will use the facilities. Training has to begin after the installation is complete. In this assignment, you'll open a partially completed project file that documents training tasks. You have to make some changes to the project calendar. You will explore the project tasks, create summary tasks to reflect WBS, change the duration of tasks, create relationship between tasks, create summary task bar, show outline numbers and WBS code, and print Gantt chart. And you can ignore the print part, okay? So this is the overview of this project, okay? And step 1, ask you to open the train file. Step 2, save the file as train, your first name, your last name. Okay, so for me, I will save it as train underscore Pauline underscore Fu. Okay, so this is the first 2 steps. So we did some preparation work. We downloaded the tree file from Blackboard to my computer, and then we uploaded this file to OneDrive. This is what we have done so far. Now, connect VPN. You need to connect VPN. So we connect. Password. Accept. The project. So this one here. Launch. So you launched project and click open other projects. Open other projects. And then go to OneDrive, 找不着 OneDrive. Remember, in my OneDrive, I have a GBC folder. Then I have F20, Comp1115 assignments. This is Tuesday class. And this one, double click to open it. Why I have blank file, see? Okay, I'll reopen it. This one, tree.com. Do I have open button? Try to open the file. You want to open the file, okay. I'll try to start open from OneDrive again. GBC. Okay, now it's opened. Okay, so any questions? Let me check the message box. Any questions? Okay. So I got maybe one question. Okay. So I just opened the file, the tree file. So now, where is my Word document? Here. Okay. Open project information. The project was scheduled from start date. On a piece of paper, record the project finish date, and then close the project information box. Okay. So this is go to project. Click project. Oh, I haven't do step 2. Okay, so I'm going to click file, save as. Okay, file, save as. you need to save your file on OneDrive. So OneDrive, it is on Tuesday folder. Okay. The file name, train underscore your first name underscore your last name. Save button. So that is step 2. Okay. And step 3, open project. So project, and then project information. The start date, Monday, November the 3rd, 2014. The question asks you to write down the project finish date. So finish date is November 21st, 2014. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this screen so that I know what is the finish date. Okay, so I will go back to 4/11/15. So I'm just going to paste it here. Control-C, Control-V. So I know the finish date. It is here. You can write down on a piece of paper. Okay. So, yes, I heard the question. All right, I heard the question. Let me check the message. You just print screen? No. If you want, it's okay. Or just write down the finish date on Word document. Is that all right? And submit a Word document, or write down the finish date. Yes, you better write on a Word document. Maybe later you need other explanation for other steps. Okay. So thank you for your question, Jiaming. Great. All right, so we did step 3. Okay. So where's my project? This is this one. Okay. This is this one. Okay, I'm here. Okay. Click OK button. So this is step 3. Step 4. Change the duration for task 3 from 15 days to 3 weeks. Change duration. You can move, see? You can move this split bar. Okay. For task 3, this is duration. From 15 days to 3 weeks. So delete 15 days. Type in 3W. 3W represents 3 weeks. Or 3WKS. Okay. And then there is something notes. Use PDF file format. This is just the notes. Okay. The task notes. Step 5. Delete task 5. So select task 5. Row 5. Press delete. No, just this one. Hit delete. but you want to delete task 5. Okay, undo it. And then under the tasks, I'm using mark and to delete our tasks. Maybe I right-click my mouse. Then delete tasks. Right-click mouse, delete tasks. You may have other methods, okay? So I deleted the tasks. Step 6, the file handle to copy the duration of 2 days from task 5 to task 6. Task 5, 2 days, use file handle. So click 2 days, put your mouse pointer, see, on the bottom right corner until you see this cross sign, file handle. Click and drag. See, the box becomes 2 days. If you cannot do file handle, you manually change the duration for task 6 to 2 days. Okay. All right, I did step 6. Step 7. The company holiday party, Friday, December 19. Change that date to non-working time on the project calendar and name the exception VP Family Party. Family Party. Great. So go to project. Go to project. And then click change working time. Change working time. And you have this box. I have to see the description. December 19th to non-working exception. So exception is here. The name is VP Family Party. It is December 19, 2014. No, maybe our December, maybe I'll title here December. December 19, 2014. Okay, oops, we couldn't control it. Okay. So finish date is also the same. So 12 December 19, 2014. So that is the exception. See, exception. Okay. And don't forget click OK button here. Okay. Click OK button. So I completed step 7. Okay. Step 7. Step 8. Create a new calendar named Staffing by making a copy of standard calendar. On the work weeks, change the working time Monday to Friday from 8 to 12. The calendar should extend for 1 year from this to this. I may have difficulty complete this because I'm using mark. It probably won't let me select this one. Okay, I will try because I didn't do successfully in another project. If you have similar questions, I will mark your assignment generally. So do not worry too much about step 8, okay, if you cannot do it. If you use Windows user, you can do it. I can do it because I can do step 8 on my PC computer, but here I'm using the Mac. So I'll try. Oops, where's my project here? I'm going to close those unrelated windows. Create a new calendar. So I click project. Change working time. Is it here? Create a new calendar. Change working time. On top right corner, you have create new calendar. Create new calendar. And the name of the new calendar is create a new calendar. Name staff. Okay. The calendar name is staffing. It is make a copy of standard calendar. And click OK button. Okay. So you created a new calendar and then change the working time to Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So this is a staffing, okay, staffing calendar. So quick work weeks, and then work weeks. It is from Monday to Friday. Work weeks. Start work weeks and then quick details from Monday to Friday. So select Monday. Okay, to Friday. I use Shift to select all of them. Okay, you can use maybe so and set. Then quick set days specific working times. It should be from 8 a.m. to 12. So you need to delete 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. But when I click row 2, I can do this on my PC computer, but I can't do it here in Mac. If I delete this, it says wrong. See, give me this information. So that is the trouble I have. If you have similar trouble because you are using the Mac, maybe I will type in 5 and it becomes 6. So I cannot delete row 2. That is my problem. Okay. I don't know why. See, I cannot delete. I need to delete row 2 here so that it is just 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Maybe I'll try right click. I have to type in something here. Right click my mouse. If I click here, delete, click here, no, see? So I will just ignore this one, but it will affect the following steps, but not in a big way, okay? So I'll just keep maybe give it 1 hour in the afternoon, okay? So that is step 8. Step 8. Calendar extended from that to that one. Details. Okay. And then so from November 3rd, 2014 to November 3rd, 2015. So start, typing, start. Oops. 14 and finished 15. So 15. So this is I should type in here, but it does not let me type. So anyway, I click the finish button here, and then I click OK button. And then apply staffing calendar to task 5. So select task 5. Task 5, yes. Higher trainings. Right click mouse. Apply this calendar. This one. And change the working time. So remember we created staffing calendar. Staffing. And then I want to apply. How do I apply the new calendar to task 5? The base calendar. Detail. Okay. Not this one. So I am in step 9, apply staffing calendar to task 5. So click task 5, right click my mouse. Auto schedule, manual schedule, information. And I like information. And then high task, auto schedule. Try to apply that calendar. If I click manual schedule, no, it doesn't change. Advanced, quick advanced. Calendar here, quick advanced. Under the task information, then advanced tab, you see the calendar and select staffing. Okay, so that is step 9. OK button. So you apply the staffing calendar to task 5. Step 10. In calendar view, link task 1 to task 2 in FS relationship. In calendar view, So this is Gantt view. Right click your mouse. Then you can view bar. Now click calendar view. This is calendar view. Establish relationship between task 1 and task 2. So where is task 1? This is task 1, okay? Identify existing skills. Task 2 is identify needed skills. So let me double check. Task 1 is here. Identify existing skills. Task 2, identify needed skills. Okay, so I'm going to go back to calendar view. So you just click task 1 and drag it into task 2. When you take task 1, you see a little icon that is start to finish link. You click and drag it into task 2. Release your mouse. Now that have FS, finish start relationship, means you finish task 1, then you start task 2. Okay. All right. Any questions? Let me check the message box. Any questions? Shall we continue? Because each time when I take break, something happened to my project. So I'd rather continue, okay? Where I am? Task 10. Task 11. In network diagram, link task 2 and task 3 in an FS relationship. So network diagram, this is network diagram. Task 2, identify needed skills. Task 3, develop training documentation. So again, so this is task 2, identify needed skills. This is task 3. You want to set up FS relationship between these two tasks. So go task 2, click and drag. See, when you click and drag, you have this link. Okay, click and drag, release your mouse, and you link task 2 to task 3. Okay, so I did 11. Step 12. In Gantt chart view, edit relationship between task 2 and task 3 so that negative 50% lag time, and then view predecessors column and note the predecessor for task 3. So negative 50% lag time in Gantt chart view. Okay, click Gantt chart view. And then Gantt chart view between task 2 and task 3. This link is between task 2 and task 3. Double click this link, this arrow, double click. You have task dependency. Remember we have 4 different types of dependencies. We have finish to start, FS. We have start to start, SS. We have finish to finish, FF. And we have start to finish. Okay, and now the relationship between task 2 and task 3, it is start to finish. But we need negative 50%. What does that mean? Means halfway in task 1, then you start task 2. that is negative 50%. Okay, you are in the middle of task 1, then you start your task 2, that is negative 50%. So from here, this leg, you type in negative 50%, and then you'll see this bar chart will be changed. Click OK. You see, this bar start with halfway of task 2. Okay, task 3 started halfway of task 2. Okay, it does not look halfway because Saturday and Sunday are non-working days, but they also occupy the bar space. Okay. All right, so I did step 12, step 13 in Gantt chart view, link task 3, 4, 5, 6 in FS relationship. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Select them all. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then click the task tab. And then click under the schedule group, click the link button. Okay, click the link button. Now those tasks are start to finish relationship. If you look at the Gantt chart here, okay, they are start to finish relationship. Okay. So I finished step 13. Step 14, edit the relationship between task 5 and task 6 so that it is an SS relationship with a lag time of 1 day. Okay, task 5 and task 6. So where is 5 and 6? You have to find that. Oops. You have to move a little bit. Maybe. Where is my scroll bar? I need to see the maybe I will go to network diagram. I need to see the relationship between task 5 and task 6. Cannot move. There should be. Okay, here I found this one. Okay. So I need to find the relationship between task 5 and task 6. So I double click this link. Before they have finished to start, now it is SS, start to start. And the lag time is 1 day. So type in 1D. And then click OK button. Okay. So I did that in network diagram. Okay, so go back to Gantt chart. Okay. All right, so I finished step 14. Step 15, insert a new task with the task name documentation. Okay. Insert a new task. So right your mouse, no, select task 1 first, then go to task, and then task button, task. The new task name is documentation. And make task 2, 3, 4 subtask 2, 3, 4 subtask. Quick indent button. Okay, subtask. So that is step 15. Step 16. Insert a new task 5 with task name trainers. And make task 5 level 1 summary task for task 6 and 7. Means task 6 and 7 are subtasks of task 5. But first, we insert a new task 5. So select task 5, click task tab, then under insert group, select task. The task name is trainers. And this trainers is the summary task of task 6 and 7. So you need to alt-dent trainers first, alt-dent. And then select task 6 and 7, quick indent, so that these two tasks are subtasks of trainers. So this is 16. Task 17, insert a new task 8 with the task name lab, and make task 8 level 1 summary task for task 9. Means task 9 is a subtask of task 8. So anyway, click task 8, select task 8, and then task, new task. The name is lab, and click lab alt-dent, then click task 9 indent. Okay. So this is task 17. Task 18, insert a new milestone, task 10, with the task name sign lab contract. So insert a new milestone, task 10. Insert a new milestone, task 10. In task 9 and task 10. Okay, this one here is a new task 10. The name is sign lab contract. And link task 9 and 10 with FS relationship. FS relationship. Task 9 and 10 FS relationship. Oops. So select those two tasks and click link button. Okay. And also task 10 is a milestone. If you give duration is 0, that is the milestone task. So you have to select change from 1 day to 0 day to indicate sign lab contract is a milestone. Okay, that's it. Last step to save button and submit. Okay, so click save button, save, and when you submit, you need to this file. Remember, you save this file on OneDrive. Download the file from OneDrive to your local computer, and then from your local computer to Blackboard. Okay? So that is your Assignment 1, Part 2. Any questions? Check the message box. Okay. Any questions? Shall we take a break? After break, it is just a lab session. I'm here to help you with your assignment, with your chapter files. And remember, next week is our test 2, similar to the format of test 2, similar to test 1. Okay, you have multiple choice questions. Okay, test 2 will cover chapter 1 and chapter 2 for MS project. So I'm going to stop recording and then we take a break.